Let's take a look at the new PrintVis Planning Board. Similar in concept and function to a traditional Gantt chart, the PrintVis Planning Board provides a graphical interface for plotting and adjusting your production schedule with helpful color codes and groupings for printing presses and other cost centers. Along the left side of the interface, you can see our selected resources with different capacity units displayed for pre-press, printing, and finishing. These of course can change depending on what element of your production you are planning. Laid out in rows corresponding with each production resource, we have the color-coded elements which are plotted through the days of the week and are displayed across the top ribbon. Your view can zoom in for a specific block of hours, or zoom out for a broadened view of the work week. Taking a look at the setup, we can see how the color codes can be customized to designate different capacity groups, block times, schedule conflict warnings, and more. Production statuses such as in progress, paused, completed, or late are easily identified at a glance from the production manager. Other views, such as customers, order types, and product groups, can be arranged for easy organization. Status codes show what stage of the workflow a job is in and where it is headed next in production. Custom tooltips are set up to provide a detailed view when hovering over a job element. These can display production details such as color specifications, paper type, and schedule requirements. Job elements can be manually selected and moved along the board. Virtual curtains display the available region of time where a process can be scheduled, and each stage is connected by the arrows of the workflow. When a conflict occurs, the element will change to the designated warning color. By right-clicking on an operation, you can filter capacities, narrowing the view to only the machines that are involved with that particular job. The original view is restored by undoing the capacity filter. Similarly, individual capacity units can be selected for a focused view of those specific cost centers. This is especially useful for companies with dozens of machines. The PrintVis Planning Board also features a simulation function, where production changes can be modeled or exercised without affecting the actual schedule. If the changes are desired to be implemented, they can be applied with a click and the board will update accordingly. Depending on your needs, setup times can be included in the display. Also, scheduled downtimes can be included, such as for routine maintenance or an employee absence. PrintVis provides a variety of scheduling methods, such as planning based on the earliest possible start date, when required production materials are all on hand, also planning backward from a requested delivery date, or planning based on known internal production bottlenecks, where a busy cost center's capacity is accounted for. All of these methods can be employed by the PrintVis Planning Board. It simply offers a graphical Gantt board interface for companies who prefer to work in this manner. The planning board is available out of the box in the latest version of PrintVis.